Eggs are often hailed as one of the healthiest and most versatile foods on the planet. They're packed with essential nutrients, provide a great source of protein, and fit seamlessly into countless meals. However, there are common mistakes many people make when preparing or eating eggs that could compromise their health benefits, or even pose risks. In this video, we are revealing the 11 most critical mistakes you need to avoid to ensure you're getting the best out of every egg. Whether you love them scrambled, poached, boiled, or fried, these tips will help you make informed choices, safeguard your health, and enjoy eggs the right way. Stay tuned, because mistake number 7 is one that even seasoned cooks overlook but can have serious implications for your health. 1. Eating raw eggs without considering the risk of salmonella. One of the most significant risks of eating eggs is contamination with salmonella, a harmful bacterium that can cause severe food poisoning. While many people enjoy raw eggs in smoothies, shakes, and certain dishes like homemade mayonnaise, they unknowingly expose themselves to the risk of infection. Research from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, suggests that consuming raw or undercooked eggs increases the likelihood of contracting a salmonella infection. Symptoms of a salmonella infection include stomach cramps, diarrhea, vomiting, and fever. In severe cases, it can lead to hospitalization, especially in vulnerable populations such as the elderly. Children, pregnant women, and those with weakened immune systems. To minimize the risk of salmonella, it's essential to cook eggs thoroughly, ensuring the whites and yolks are firm. Alternatively, choose pasteurized eggs, which have been heat-treated to kill bacteria while retaining the egg's nutritional value. If you must consume raw eggs, ensure they come from a reputable source that uses safe handling practices. 2. Storing eggs at room temperature. Many people make the mistake of storing eggs at room temperature, especially in countries where refrigeration isn't as commonly practiced. However, keeping eggs at room temperature can cause them to spoil quickly due to bacterial growth. This is particularly dangerous if the eggs have already been cracked, as bacteria can enter the egg and multiply rapidly. Research by the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, shows that eggs should always be stored in the refrigerator to maintain their freshness and safety. Always store eggs in their original carton in the coldest part of the fridge, not in the door. If you're unsure about the freshness of an egg, perform the float test. Place the egg in a bowl of water. If it floats, it's best to discard it. 3. Overcooking eggs. Cooking eggs for too long, especially frying them at high temperatures, can lead to the formation of harmful compounds. One such compound is acrylamide, a potential carcinogen that forms when foods are cooked at high temperatures, such as frying or grilling. Studies have shown that high heat can degrade the proteins and other nutrients in eggs, leading to a loss of their health benefits. Additionally, overcooking can result in a rubbery texture and an unpleasant taste, making them less enjoyable to eat. Cook eggs at lower temperatures to avoid overcooking. If you're frying eggs, use a medium or low heat setting. Aim for eggs that are firm but not browned. Scrambled eggs should be cooked gently over low heat, stirring occasionally, until they are soft and creamy. For using excessive oil or butter when cooking eggs, many people add generous amounts of oil, butter, or margarine when cooking eggs, believing it enhances flavor and texture. While this may improve taste, it also significantly increases the calorie content of your meal and can contribute to unhealthy fat consumption. Research by the American Heart Association highlights the dangers of excess saturated fats in the diet, which can raise LDL, bad cholesterol levels and increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Use minimal amounts of healthy oils, such as olive oil or avocado oil, to cook eggs. You can also opt for boiling, poaching, or steaming eggs to eliminate the need for any fats. 5. Not separating the egg white from the yolk. Some people avoid eating egg yolks due to concerns about cholesterol and fat content. However, this is an unfortunate mistake because egg yolks contain essential nutrients that are missing from the whites. The yolk is rich in vitamins A, D, E, and K, as well as omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and other vital nutrients. On the other hand, egg whites are packed with protein but lack many of the vitamins and minerals found in the yolk. If you discard the yolk, you're missing out on a significant portion of the egg's nutritional value, unless you have specific dietary restrictions, such as following a low cholesterol diet or a vegan lifestyle. Try eating the entire egg. The whole egg provides a balanced mix of protein, fat, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for overall health. 6. Eating eggs with too much salt. While eggs are delicious on their own, many people add excessive amounts of salt to enhance the flavor. However, consuming too much salt can increase your risk of high blood pressure, stroke, heart disease, and kidney problems. Research from the World Health Organization, WHO, recommends limiting salt intake to less than 5 grams per day to reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. The average person consumes far more than this, often unknowingly. By adding salt to their eggs and other foods, use salt sparingly when cooking eggs, and consider using alternative seasonings such as herbs, spices, and pepper to enhance flavor. You can also try experimenting with other natural flavor enhancers, like garlic powder, onion powder, or a dash of paprika. 7. Not paying attention to the quality of eggs. Not all eggs are created equal. Many commercial eggs come from hens that are kept in cramped, unsanitary conditions, leading to lower quality eggs with fewer nutrients. These eggs often contain higher levels of harmful chemicals, such as pesticides and antibiotics, which can negatively affect your health. Studies show that eggs from pasture-raised or free-range hens contain higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins A, D, and E, and other beneficial nutrients compared to factory-farmed eggs. Whenever possible, choose eggs from reputable sources that prioritize ethical farming practices, such as pasture-raised or organic eggs. These eggs tend to be fresher and more nutritious. 8. Assuming eggs are always safe for everyone. Eggs can pose particular risks to individuals with certain health conditions or dietary restrictions. People with egg allergies or high cholesterol may need to avoid eggs or limit their intake. Additionally, individuals with diabetes need to be mindful of how eggs fit into their overall dietary plan due to the high protein content. Research has shown that while eggs can be part of a healthy diet for most people, individuals with specific health conditions, such as elevated cholesterol levels or diabetes, should consult their healthcare provider before incorporating large amounts of eggs into their meals. For those with egg allergies, consider egg alternatives like flax eggs, chia seeds, or commercially available egg replacers. 9. Not checking for expired eggs. Consuming expired eggs is a common mistake that can lead to food poisoning or digestive issues. Eggs have a shelf life, and even though they may still appear to be fresh, they may have already gone bad. Consuming expired eggs can result in nausea, diarrhea, stomach cramps, and in severe cases, salmonella infection. Always check the expiration date on the carton before purchasing or consuming eggs. 10. Overlooking the importance of proper egg handling. Eggs are highly perishable, and improper handling can lead to contamination. Cross-contamination occurs when raw eggs come into contact with other foods, especially those that will not be cooked before consumption, like fruits or vegetables. Always wash your hands thoroughly after handling raw eggs and clean utensils and surfaces that come into contact with eggs. Use separate cutting boards and avoid touching your face or other food items while handling raw eggs. 11. Not incorporating other protein sources. Eggs are an excellent source of protein, but relying solely on eggs for your protein intake can lead to nutrient imbalances. A balanced diet should include a variety of protein sources to ensure you're getting all the essential amino acids and other vital nutrients. A well-rounded diet that includes a variety of protein sources, such as lean meats, fish, beans, nuts, and seeds, will help ensure you're not missing out on other important nutrients. Complement your egg intake with other high-quality protein sources like legumes, tofu, or lean meat. This will help you get a more diverse range of nutrients and keep your diet balanced.